Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an kublay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni Myntri Rangbah ka jila konrad ke sangma ulayadi Iabam sha step lang bat kinong tray jong ka Shillong Municipal Board SMB khamtam kinong pun khut surok kum kadak jong ka jing sngongo bat jing itu ya ka jing shakri ka ba kraw jong ki ha kani ka jing kendo ka badap da ka jing sngojan Myntri Rangbah ula ai jing ro ya kinong tray ka Municipal Board halor ka jing IT ba ka jing tray shitom jong ki ban pene pensa ya kanong ba Shillong ba kan long ka ba khun kaba suba bar kaba itenan ula ong ba ka jingkho jing suba jong kanong ba ka shong shibun ka jing IT jong kini kinong tray kiba tray min step bar wat ha ka por slam ne ka por tlang ru khlam jing ya sange ukonat ke sang ma ula ka ru ba ka sarkar jala ka sngo tho ye ki jing kiba bon ba kinong kun khut surok ya kendo man la ka sngi hendai ka jing IT jong ki ka dei ka nuksa ka ba bha ka jing shakri pat ba ula kular ba ka sarkar kan yai beteng ban shimkya halor ka bha kamian bar ka jingshan jong ki nong tray kumchu ru ban wat kilat kilenti ban pin pha shu shu e ka rukom tray kam jong ka municipal board ki nong tray ka Shillong Municipal Board ke lapan pau ka jing sngo kamen ba jing sngo ya ka ni ka sin jam jong Myntri Rangbah da ka ba ong ba ka jing yo jing itho ba jing ro kum ka ni ka pinslur ya ki ban tray kham pha shu shu na ka ban ta ka bha kamian jong ka nong ba Shillong
It should look natural. Any size together. And now you can go long. From the boy, which part of the boy? I'll get one chair. Okay, I will put one. Yes, sir. Come. Come. This is the first time you see a bumper. I'm happy that all of you are here today and getting some time to just have a cup of tea. Please sit down. Please be comfortable. Okay, come. It should look natural. Any size together. And now you can go long. Thank you. Come. The daytime happen. Or the shift. Sometimes morning, sometimes night. Come. Noticing or watching, but I want to tell you personally that so many people have told me about how happy they are to see all of you work so hard and keep our city clean. So don't think that people are not noticing. People are noticing, people are very happy, and people are very proud to see all of you do this. And I, on behalf of the state and people of Shillong City especially, would like to really take this opportunity to thank all of you. So don't think you're doing a simple thing. What you are doing is making a huge impact on how our city is clean, how our tourists feel about the city, and the citizens of the city also and the state, how they feel about their capital. Today, my whole purpose of calling you to the Chief Minister's bungalow is only to express our gratitude to you. This is Christmas season, and obviously Christmas is a time of joy, of love, of sharing happiness with everyone. And sometimes in life, we tend to ignore a lot of people and take people for granted. But maybe this is the time when we don't take people for granted. So Christmas time is the time when we share our joy and happiness. And so the reason I've called all of you is to share the joy and happiness of Christmas with all of you. We're to share a cup of tea, a small maybe cake we'll have together. We'll celebrate Christmas together. We'll celebrate the work that you're doing, which, as I said, is not a small thing. You're doing a lot of big things. Trust me, the impact that you're doing is really making our city much better. So once again, thank you so much. And also on behalf